Now children, open page 120 of your English classwork book. We will write the answers of the following questions using yes or no in sentence form. Answer the following questions using yes or no. Now, the first question. Look at the picture carefully. Is it a bun? Now children, always remember, a question ends with a question mark and an answer ends with a full stop. No, as the picture is not of a bun, it is of hut. So the answer will be no, it is a hut. Now we will write the answer. In the margin, capital A dot 1. A is for answer. Near the margin, capital N. No, leave some space, put a comma, again leave some space. It is a hut. Full stop. No, comma, it is a hut. Full stop. Now the second question. Look at the picture properly. Is it a frog? Answer will be no, as this is not a frog, but it is a raincoat. So now we will write the answer. In the margin, capital A dot 2. Near the margin, capital N. N-O, no, comma, leave some space. No, it is a raincoat. R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T. Raincoat. No, comma, it is a raincoat. Full stop. Now, question 3. Look at the picture. Is it a leg? So the answer will be yes, as the picture is of leg. So the answer will be yes, it is a leg. In the margin, capital A dot 3. Capital Y E S, yes, comma, IT, it is a leg, leg. Full stop. Yes, comma, it is a leg. Yes, it is a leg. Now, the last question. Look at the picture carefully. Is it a hen? Yes, it is a hen. In the margin, capital A dot 4. The answer will be capital Y, E, S, yes. Leave some space. Put a comma. 8 is a H-E-N, hen. Full stop. Now, let's read the question answers once again. Is it a bun? No, it is a hut. Is it a frock? No, it is a raincoat. Question 3. Is it a leg? Yes, it is a leg. Question 4. Is it a hen? Yes, it is a hen.